Okay, I'm recording again.
Go.
I shouldn't. There's no hiding behind Ryan. Look at it. Kick your feet, Liam, kick your feet. He took his lammy down earlier and was wrestling with it. Yeah. Go.
Come to daddy. Come here. Come here, you. Come here.
Go. Oh, somebody's tie. Man. You tie, boo-boo?
Come here, buddy.
Look at that belly. Little hammy hockey legs.
Yeah. You want to calm down a little bit? Calm down a little bit?